ACADS-BSG CAMEL Plus is a heat load calculation software created by engineers for engineers. Using the load estimation method set out in the AERA DA9 application manual, CAMEL Plus allows you to model and calculate your required cooling capacities, heating capacities, and psychrometrics for the zones and rooms in any building, old or new. CAMEL Plus gives you the flexibility to model a range of different system types, including reverse cycle heat pumps, VRF systems, single zone heating and cooling systems, or even multi-zone VAV systems or constant volume systems with reheat coils. You can also model outdoor air preconditioners, including those with temperature-controlled AHUs, desiccant humidity control, and fresh air to exhaust air heat exchangers. In CAMEL Plus, graphical displays are provided for shading schemes and for each external wall or roof as it is entered, providing a convenient visual check for the user. You can model overhangs complete with drop panels and reveals on both windows and walls. Complex shading systems such as vertical or horizontal shading fins, balconies and light wells can also be modeled, as well as shading on roofs and shading from adjacent buildings. CAMEL Plus also allows you to analyze the effectiveness of your shading schemes. Use the shadow feature to view the shading patterns that they provide across each hour of the day and each month of the year. When it comes to results, CAMEL Plus can provide a simple summary table with the required cooling and heating capacities and air quantities. More advanced users will appreciate the ability to dive deeper into the results with the coil entering and leaving conditions as well as the psychrometric graphs for each AHU. The Check Figures tab allows you to identify zones or rooms with abnormally high or low loads. Investigate further by navigating to the load charts to see a detailed breakdown of the loads in each room. Examine load components such as solar gains and transmission gains for each individual surface, as well as the different internal gains within the room. You can even use the graph feature to understand how the loads vary across the hours of the day or the months of the year. CAMEL Plus really can be as simple or as complex as you need it to be. Visit our website today to start your free 14-day trial and see how CAMEL Plus can help you.